In the Salt Lake Valley, we had several rounds of moisture move through. In fact, a lot of the snow pellets that fell down accumulated pretty quickly on the roadways, as you can see, and made for very slick conditions. There were a lot of incidents, a lot of slide-offs as I was driving in this afternoon. So, yeah, thanks, Avery, for sending that in. Spring City snow. Steve H. sending in a little bit of snow in Spring City. Yeah, Central Utah getting on some of the action as well. Scott Taylor, after a lot of the moisture calmed down, although we do have rain moving through right now, a break in some of the precipitation. Gorgeous sunset from Magna. A lot of precipitation being reported in the last 2 days. Brigham City over 1.25 inches, 1.33 inches of moisture. Red Butte up near University of Utah, 1.22. Cottonwood Heights, 1 inch. Holiday just shy of 1 inch of rain or precipitation. A little bit of snow is mixed in. Centerville, 0.75. St. George, 0.22. So we got some moisture down in lower Washington County. Temperatures right now, we're in the upper 30s. 35 for Logan. Good evening. 32 Cedar City, 47 in St. George. Lake Powell's at 44. Weather headlines calling for cool and unsettled weather continuing throughout the first part of the work week, at least. We've got scattered rain and snow showers continuing across northern Utah. In fact, it's statewide essentially for tomorrow and on Tuesday. A bit of a break midweek, though. We're turning active again, though, into this next weekend. So it's going to be short-lived, that break midweek. Let's walk you through Futurecast, some of the changes that we're expecting to see. So we have a few scattered, if not isolated, showers lingering this evening. A lot of the moisture kind of wanes out, fizzles out overnight. A lot of these showers are diurnal, which means as the sun comes up, we've got moisture in place. We see some of that daytime heating. We get some instability. It interacts with the moisture that's in place and generates some of these popcorn-like showers we'll see form up in the afternoon. This is about 5 o'clock. Models favoring more of the central and southern part of the state with some precipitation on Monday afternoon. We'll have some mountain snow showers. But then on Tuesday, another weak disturbance brushes by and should bring a little more moisture and instability to northern Utah. This is 1 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. Could see even a little bit of lake effect moisture Tuesday morning with colder air moving in. We'll be tracking that, of course, and so we'll continue to see several inches of snow pile up into the mountain areas through at least Tuesday evening before we start to dry out. There's that ridge midweek, generating more sunshine across the state. Our models showing again some decent totals across the mountain areas through early Wednesday morning. These darker blue shaded areas, if not purples, about 6 to 10 inches of snow. Areas in the valleys, the mountain valleys, not expecting a whole lot, a couple of inches here and there. And with the spotty nature of these storm systems, hard to have models imitate how much moisture we're going to be seeing out of there. It'll be hit and miss. Some areas will see much more moisture than others. This showing just 0.13 of an inch in Provo, about 0.03 in Salt Lake through Wednesday, but that could, of course, change depending on where those storms kind of bubble up and form through the state. Highs on Monday, 48 for Salt Lake City, 62 in St. George, a slight chance of a shower in the afternoon. Again on Tuesday. Highs of 67 on Wednesday, back in the 70s on Thursday. Windy conditions are sticking around Thursday and Friday. Breezy on Saturday, and then we've got another storm system, should be statewide by Sunday, impacting northern Utah much earlier on in the week. So winds are kind of hanging on. Some good kite flying weather, I guess, in southern Utah throughout some of those dry days. Isolated rain and snow showers expected across the Wasatch Front, 47. Breezy winds, 47 again on Tuesday. So a bit of a wash, rinse, and repeat as far as the forecast goes, but I think a better chance of moisture in northern Utah Tuesday, especially as that weak storm system brushes by. Break Wednesday, climbing back to 55, about average high temperatures, up to 59 on Thursday. Some isolated showers. Southwest flow increasing. End of the week will bring moisture to northern Utah, but it waits until about Sunday to get into southern Utah, so increasing chances of rain on Saturday. Temperatures starting to fall some, about 58, and rain on Sunday as well.